Namaste, I'm Dr. DJ Kulkarni and today we are going to make a wonderful dish. This is a breakfast dish and we call it as the stuffed Raagi Batti. You must have heard about dal bati. So this is that type of a bati and you're going to really love it. Very पौष्टिक, बहुत ही पौष्टिक ब्रेकफास्ट ये बनेगा. और इनके ingredients है we have 150 grams of Raagi powder. We have got a little jeera for taste, grated fresh coconut, coriander, and this is chili with salt और थोड़ा सा cow ghee and water to mix. You require to knead this Raagi flour or finger millet to a proper dough. थोड़ा थोड़ा पानी डाल के आप इसको डो बना लीजिए. अभी ये हमने नीड कर लिया है. This is turned out to be a dough. Make it and keep it aside for some time. Now we will make the filling. We have got the grated coconut. We have got the chili. Please use chili as per the taste. If you are using for small children, for elders, see how you want it to be. Chili, coriander, a little jeera powder as per your taste. ये व्यक्तिगत रूप से चेंज होगा और थोड़ा सा आपने सॉल्ट डालना है इसमें. So now I have got this filling ready. Fragrance is wonderful. The dough is ready. A bati dough is ready and the filling is ready. Put on the flame. You require to have a net like this to do the bati. Keep it here. In case you don't have this, then you can have such molds and you can fry the bati in these molds as well. Make small balls of this dough like this and keep on slightly pressing it. This is unlike maida or your wheat because it doesn't have the stickiness, so you'll have to do it a little slowly. Take the filling, put it inside neatly and you roll it up again. You roll it up again and you make a bati ball. Like this you can make the bati balls and keep. And let's see how we are going to actually roast the batis. Now you see how it is kept here on the flame. I am going to keep these batis on top. And let them roast on and off. We will keep turning it here so all the sides get roasted. The stuffed millet bati is ready. There's the batis, hot. You can add either ghee to this or you can have it with curds. With me, I have my co-chef, Dr. Shubha Barwani, and let's see how we can eat this. This is how it is. Can you show? And this is the filling. And we can eat this. वाह भाई वाह, दाल बाटी खाओ, प्रभु के गुण गाओ. Wonderful dish, great breakfast. Try it once. क्या बात है?
Truly delicious one.
Thank you, Amrut. Thank you, ACT.